Hi, and welcome to the LexX for Pump Maintenance platform tutorial. Our LexX platform is an intelligent assistant purpose-built for maintenance technicians. LexX for Pump Maintenance provides intelligent fault isolation flow and guidance so that a technician can be more efficiently directed to the problem and solution in an instant. Today, I'm going to take you through two different scenarios using the LexX platform. In our first scenario, a technician wants to find out how to fix skid-mounted units. Instead of taking time to manually search for the relevant manual, the technician could ask LexX. When they open LexX, they are presented with a simple, intuitive interface where they can simply enter the query into the search bar. LexX will then present the technician with a series of results that are linked to their search query. This is where you can begin to see the machine learning aspects of our platform at play. LexX can distinguish between the most likely results in any given circumstance, providing the user with options ranked by likelihood of occurrence as percentages. This knowledge becomes more extensive over time so that troubleshooting is continually refined. When a technician has found the manual they are looking for, they are able to access the correct pages and information in real time from the selected manual. They also have the option to print these specific pages if needed. In the second scenario, a technician needs to find out the safety considerations for biological and hazardous waste. You will notice that the technician's entry into the search bar is long and in their natural language. Thanks to LexX's extensive natural language processing feature, LexX is able to determine the correct information requested from anything a technician searches for in their natural language. In this case, LexX has understood that the user will require a safety installation manual and has presented that as the most likely option. Again, the technician can access the correct information instantly as LexX is a single source of information. For each query, a technician also has the option to save their progress at any point and return to load this search when they need it again. These are just two examples of how LexX for Pump Maintenance can act as a single source of truth for any organization, providing intelligent information in an instant, with the ultimate goal of empowering technicians and all involved in the maintenance process. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact us if you would like further information.